I'll be careful not to oversell this, but I might have had a breakthrough in manifesting. For the last days, I've been manifesting with the people. It's a test I'm running, and we do the speak up method together. I lead it. They just follow my lead, right? And I help them. And maybe the most important thing, we join forces. We have a joint intention. So we call upon all the helpers that that person has. I have a whole thing I do. And the results, oh my God. It is said in manifesting that 1 is 1 and 2 is 10. That you not only double the power or influence or whatever you want to call it, but you multiply it several times. I don't know about this, but the results from that testing is just crazy. Yeah. So thank you so much for taking me on this path right here. So I can't be doing this for free because I'm testing it now for free, but I'll stop that. It's taking too much of my time, and I also need money. No, yeah, who would think, yeah? So what I will suggest is, if you have the money for it, it's a little over 100 euros, a little over $100, and if you own the speak up method, you get that amount you spent on that, you get that as a discount. So we meet online, I do this thing, and you just follow my lead. I always operate with money back guarantee, right? I never guarantee anything of results, but I always give people a money back guarantee. I will not do this time because I'm setting aside time to do this with you. It's only you and me on the call, either just audio or video on Google Meet. It's easy. So I don't guarantee anything. But if the result so far is something to pay attention to, yeah. Well, I've been thinking, I don't think I'm very special. In fact, I think I'm tuning into the ABBA song. Thank you for the music. No, I don't think I have special powers. I do, however, have spoken to my team every day, several times a day for the last 7 years. So if there's anything special about me, it's that relationship. So that might be, I don't know, that might be one of the reasons why it works so well. And the fact that we're two and not doing this alone. But you can, I'm 100% sure that the connection I have, everybody can have that. But I also suspect that a lot of people think maybe if they buy the speak up method, many people maybe don't use it because it feels a little weird, following a script and talking to air, So, yeah, now I'm just rambling here. And of course, if you don't have the money to pay me, find a friend or a partner or someone adult, right? It doesn't have to be adult, but the child, of course, needs to understand this and be comfortable with it. And do that. Because it's really something to explore more. If it is that powerful when we do this together. I always thought, I've tried several times to create groups of people, like maybe 8 or 10, 12 people. I never got it. There was no flow there. I struggled really to create that. So maybe I experience so much more flow now with 2 than I did with several people. So maybe 2 is good, right? Or you can try 3 or whoever can join you, and you just use the speak up method. It's linked down below, right? And you just follow the thing, but now you make it clear that this is a joint intention. So when I do this, I connect my free will to that person I'm helping and that person's intention. And that's it. You just get people to help you with their power and intention. Okay. Send me an email if you want to. Yeah, down below you can read all about it. And just if you're interested, just send me an email, write coaching, and we'll take it from there. Okay, see ya.